Hello everyone, welcome to Newsline. Thanks for watching video, subscribe our channel for latest news. Snowstorm marches north after blanketing southeast. Story highlights several inches of snow expected from Washington to Boston. More than 70 million people may be affected. The South got a taste of winter early this year, but the Northeast didn't have to wait much longer. The same weather system that dumped snow Friday on much of the Southeast is marching up the East Coast, where major cities are forecast to get several inches of snowfall over the weekend. This is the first significant winter storm for the East Coast, meteorologist Derek Van Dam said Saturday. Once this storm moves off the coast, it will have blanketed a swath of snow stretching roughly 2,000 miles from the deep south to the New England coast. More than 70 million people across the upper south and northeast are under a winter storm warning, watch or advisory. That total will drop to just over 50 million people as the storm system moves away from the southeast. Snow began falling Saturday morning in Washington, then up to New York City and through the northeast. The storm's impact will vary along the path, with Washington and New York expecting between 3 and 6 inches of snow Saturday into Sunday, while Boston may be a bit higher, according to Van Dam.